Hello and welcome to uniquefun.co.uk. I want to show you how to, if you want to change the screen for Sony Z1 compact, show you how to do it. This video is only show you how you can change the screen. If you want to change the battery or other part from the phone, you need to take it back off like a Sony Z1, but the Sony Z1 compact is nothing to do with the back because everything is connected to the front. That one is the screen is cracked and it's not responding, but if you got the option to switch off the phone, you should do that before you start with any job. So what we do now, we start to heat up the front bit, not too much, that you can lose the glue, that you can take the screen off. So take it something sharp and go on the side. Don't go too deep inside. Go underneath the screen, between the screen and the frame. Don't go underneath the black bit. You need to have it go underneath the glass. So just slowly lift it up. I need to let you know, after when you change the screen, in most cases it's not going to be waterproof after anymore. Only if you use this special waterproof glue, you got a chance to take it in the water again, go swimming with it, but otherwise it's not going to be waterproof. Don't go too deep, because the camera, you got camera, that especially that button here, it's going to be very easily damaged. You go to deep damage it. Just carefully go around it. That's it. Now go other side. I tell you, if you got the option to switch off the phone, switch it off. I cannot switch that on because it's not responding in the screen. Here a little bit tricky because there is the code actually crack the start from. So let me have a look. So now don't take it out. Don't some phone man, take it, heat up, lift it out, and don't do that because I don't can see the still the flex for the screen is connect to the board. Alright, don't do that, just let it loose. Now what I'm going to do, I'll heat up the front bit now. Don't heat too much because it's inside here is the earpiece, and earpieces is got plastic, and if you heat too much you melt the plastic, and after the earpiece is not working anymore. Just be careful with the hot gun when you're working with that stuff, a little bit careful with. There you go. That is the, let me have a take that one off. Actually, that is the screen. You cannot buy just the screen or just the lens. You need to change the whole complete unit. That is a connector for what this screen is connected to. It still is on. I don't know if you can see, but it is not responded. I don't like when this phone is on to take it the disconnect the screen for the board when it's on. Is what I'm doing now, connected to my PC and use this special software to switch off the phone. Excuse me, switch off the phone. And after, what you need to do, just to clean the hinges, clean the round the frame, completely clean it up, put a double-sided glue or a sticky tape or anything what you can prefer to use, and connected your socket to the main board and replace it back in there. That is actually what you need to do. It's not, I see some other videos in YouTube that show you need to open the phone. By Z1 Compact, you don't need to. You just need to open the front one. If you got any question, please drop me mail or do it comment. I'll try my best to help you. Thank you for watching. It's uniquephone.co.uk.